Hey everybody, this is Dade here with MarineMax Grand Lake. Today I'm going to be walking you guys through a 2026 Sea Ray Sundancer 320. Starting off back here, as you can see, you got a huge swim platform, and this boat is going to be lined with sea deck all throughout. You've got a nice sun pad back here, and your backrest is going to be interchangeable. So you can actually unlock it here, slide it over, and now you've got another space to lay out sideways, or you've got all of this room here. Plenty of space to get your entire family on board. You've got your wet bar here with a sink, grill, mini fridge, and a trash can. You've got storage underneath all of these seats over here. And moving up, you have got your captain's chair here. This boat does come with a joystick. As you can see, it's going to make for easy maneuverability in docking situations. Got your dual sim rads there. Got an adjustable backrest over here so you can be forward or rear facing. Moving up to the bow, you can see you've got a huge layout area up here with foldable armrests, seating for 3. Plenty of space up here to hang out while you're on the water. Alright, so if you like this Sea Ray Sundancer 320 or anything else you see in our inventory, feel free to stop by Grand Lake MarineMax today or give us a call. Thanks.